Hello, so we are ready for math and we have a sample set up. As you can see on the counter behind us, we have cups and we're going to be using them for math today. We are talking about capacity. Capacity is measuring liquids. How much liquid will something hold? We talked a little bit about this yesterday. And your page looks like this. At the top, it has what's called a key. A key helps you to unlock or to get understanding. It says 1 pitcher's worth, a full pitcher, will fill up 6 glasses. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's count the cups I have up here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have a space. Okay, and we'll count the rest of them in just a minute. If you look at problem number 1, it reads, draw the number of glasses that 2 pitchers can fill. Use the key. So the key says 1 pitcher will fill 6 glasses. All right, so I have a pitcher here, and it is marked to fill 6 glasses because I measured 6 glasses into this. So I'm going to fill up my 6 glasses. This is 1 pitcher, 6 glasses. 1, ooh, a little bit too full. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I filled up 6 glasses. Now I'm going to fill up my pitcher. That's 1 pitcher. I'm going to fill up my pitcher again to this line. And then right here I am. I've got the faucet. You can see me just a little bit. I'm going to fill up this pitcher to that green line. Alright, this is pitcher number 2. So pitcher number 1 filled up 6 glasses. How much is pitcher number 2 going to fill up? If you're saying 6 glasses, you are right. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pitcher number 2 is filled up to the green line. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So I used 2 pitchers. Now let's count and see how many I filled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I filled up 12 glasses. So I filled up 6 with the first pitcher. So I'm going to get a red. And I'm going to put a 6 on here. Because I filled up 6 glasses with this pitcher. And I filled up 6 glasses with those pitchers. What is the total? How do we get a total? My cat wants to drink from the glasses. We add. What is 6 plus 6? It is 12. Just a minute. Let me get my cat down. Down, down, down. She wants to make a mess. So 2 pitchers can fill up 12 glasses. You laugh at my cat. So 1 pitcher can fill up 6. The next pitcher can fill up 6. Together, it's 12. I thought that might be the easiest way for us to understand it, is just to do it. Mark the set that holds more. Use the key. All right, how many cups in 1 pitcher? 6. How many cups in pitcher number 2? 6. What is that together? Together, that equals 12. All right, let's see how many cups there are. I'm going to dot them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cups. Which has more? 12 cups or 10 cups? Obviously, 12 cups is more. So I'm going to mark under the one that's bigger. The next one says it only has one pitcher, so that's just 6 cups. Okay, so let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 cups over there. Which one has more? 6 cups or 8 cups? 8 cups is more, so I'm going to mark under 8 cups. Okay, so it's pretty clear once you explain it out and you actually do it. On the back, it's the same thing, but it's different measurements. It has a key. This jug holds 4 cups, so I'm going to put a 4 in there. Just like my pitcher held 6 cups, well, this jug is smaller. It can only hold 4 cups. So if I have one jug that holds 4 cups, and I have another jug that holds 4 cups, how many cups do they both hold all together? 4 cups and 4 more cups makes, you got it, 8 cups. Do the remainder of the page by yourself. See if you can do it. On the bottom, you've got to count up and figure up the number and write it in the box. It's got hundreds. See if you can do it. If you have hundreds, you're going to have ones, tens, hundreds. So you should have 3 numbers. Let's look at our measurement tools. All right, we're going to do this together. This is talking about what we would use to measure different things. Number 1, should I wear a coat today? Am I going to look at the balance scale, the measuring cup, the thermometer, or the ruler? What do you use for temperature? Because that tells you if it's too hot or too cold. You will or you will not need a coat. You're going to go to the thermometer. Draw a straight line from the dot to the dot. I don't want a jiggy-jagged line going all around everywhere where my eyes are going crisscross trying to find it. How long is my shoelace? So we're measuring length. How long? What do we use to measure length? See if you got it. We use a ruler to measure length. Next one. Is a banana heavier than an apple? What do you think they are using? What's the closest one that we've seen for measuring weight? It is the balance scale. The one side goes down for heavy and the other side goes up when it's light. How much does my water bottle hold? You know what we use to measure liquids? We use a liquid measuring cup. So we can measure 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. How many cups of water in the water bottle? Go on down. We're moving quickly. Circle the scale that shows that the apple is lighter than 3 bananas. So if it's light, it's up. So if the apple is lighter, the apple should be up. That is right. So the one that shows the apple is lighter is the apple that's up. Very good. Turn the page. The next page is confusing. I don't like the next page because it's not clearly written for y'all. All right, it says color container B to show that it holds less water than container A. So this is what I'm thinking. If it holds less water, container A will not be able to pour all of its water into it. It will still have some water left over, and container B will be to the tip top. Okay, so container A still has some water. Container B is already full, cannot hold any more. So now I know container A holds more water than B. Okay? Then it says color container B to show that it holds more water than container A. Sorry about that. Alright, so container A will be all empty, but container B will still have room for more water. And I know I'm helping you with this a lot, but I know that you're not quite probably understanding this yet. I think they're just introducing a topic that we're going to have later, and that's why they're not going over it a whole lot. So container A is all empty, but container B has room to receive more. That means B holds more than A. Mamas, you can do a demonstration of that in your home with two containers, one that is larger and one that is smaller, and see if they can understand that. It's just really hard without doing it to see what it's saying. But you can do that with two containers. One is larger, one is smaller, and you can show them the transfer. All right, let's do greater than or less than to compare. The mouth, the hungry alligator, wants to go to the big number. So look, you have hundreds. Which is bigger, 300 or 500? 300 plates or the 5 of the 500 plates? The big mouth goes to the 500. We read it. 300 is less than 500. All right, which is bigger, 900 or 700? 900 is greater than 700. All right, 230 or 330? Let's look at the hundreds. We have a 200 and we have a 300. You can circle them if you need to. Which is bigger, 200 or 300? The big hungry alligator chooses the 330 because it's more. Then we have 220. We have a 200 and we have 320. We have a 200 or a 300. Which is bigger? 300 is bigger. So the big mouth goes to the 300. All right, finish those on your own. That's all of math. We kind of had easy math this week. It really wasn't a lot of work to it. And that's why we did a little bit extra, because our weeks are only 4 days long, and so the math book is built for 5 days. And I thought this would be a good place for us to do a little extra. So that is all we have for today, and I will do your math practice with you next. I'll see you in a minute.